Here are 5 car noises every driver needs to know before it's too late. Number 1. Chirping or squeaking on cold start. Cheep! That's not birds. That's your serpentine belt begging for mercy. Means worn belt, loose belt, tensioner getting tired of life. It screams the loudest when cold because it's slipping like it's on ice. That noise isn't cute. It's your belt announcing early retirement. Number 2. Fast tick, tick, tick from inside the engine. Tick, tick, tick like a sewing machine on Red Bull. That's piston damage or piston slap. One piston got cooked, burned, or blacked out, and now it's clapping back. Means burned piston, scored cylinder. Engine already planning its funeral. That piston didn't fail. It got tired of working alone. Number 3. Whining or whirring that changes with RPM. Wee. That's your alternator bearing. Means bearing drying out. Alternator about to seize. Battery soon joining the argument. The sound gets louder when you rev because the alternator is spinning faster and complaining louder. That alternator isn't charging, it's crying. Number 4. Mosquito or groaning noise. Zzz, like a bug trapped in the dash. That's power steering screaming. Means low power steering fluid. Air in the system. Pump already on borrowed time. Sounds exactly like a mosquito because it's sucking air instead of fluid. If your steering sounds like summer insects, your pump is starving. Number 5. Ticking from the top of the engine. Tick, tick, tick. Steady and rhythmic. That's rocker arms or valve train noise. Means low oil. Worn lifters. Valves not happy. Engine saying maintenance, please. It gets louder when ignored and quieter when oil is actually present. That ticking isn't character. It's metal arguing with metal. Cars don't whisper for fun. They warn you before they break. Ignore the noise. Pay later. Listen early. Save money. Follow me before your car starts beatboxing its own breakdown.